Hi guys, it's Megan Maria and now we are here in Canva already because I'm ready to create something new, or it's not new, I think all of you knows that, but I need to create some activity for my students, so I want to share with you guys. So if you are interested to create something like this, well, this video is for you. And for those who do not know, that you can create a dashed line inside of Canva to any images that you want for your kids to practice cutting, well, this tutorial is for you. It's a short tutorial, but I'm just gonna make some example of how you can create your own dash line, how you can customize it. Depends on your kids or depends on your students. So without any further ado, let's start creating an outline into Canva. Let's do this. Alright, so now we're here in Canva and let's click the customize size and let's customize the size of the paper that we wanted to create. So I'm going to use this one, and there you go. So we have here a blank template and we're going to create a dash line for our kids to do the practice scissors cutting. So here on the elements, I'm going to type animals that live in the farm. So those are like cows, chicken, dog, pig, things like that. Okay, so if I click pig here, just put pig on the search bar and click enter. And then you can click the graphics if you want, or you can click all of these pigs that you can see. But I'm gonna click the graphics so I can find more, cute pig here that kids love it. All right, so for example, okay, so let's say I'm gonna get this pig. Then let's make a little bit bigger, just like that. Or if you want to create, a sticker or things like that, you can just do this. Okay, so now we have the pig here, and I don't think there is a background here. There's no background. So what we're gonna do here is going back again to elements, and here on the search bar, let's type the lines. All right, so now here are the lines that we can choose. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So we have this line here. So I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, you can just, you see these two round circle here at the bottom and here on the top. Not the hand. What you're gonna do is just to, place this wherever you want. Okay, so I can put this one here or I can put this one here. So it's all up to you guys. Okay, so, and then what we're gonna do is just to copy this one. Like, see, you see the plus sign here. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger so that you can see. But you see the plus sign, just click this one and you can just drag this one over here or on the top here. Okay, you can just drag it here, and you can always customize this one. You can just move this one over here and then copy again. I'll put this one over here. Okay, just like that. Then it's all up to you guys. How would you like to place your your, this one, I'm gonna put this down here just like that, and then copy again, and then just drag it here to form the shape that you want for the pig, and do like that. Just click the plus sign and it will give you another uh, dots that you want to use. Okay, and then click again and just put this one here, and you can always bend it, guys. It depends on the shape of the object that you are creating. Okay, and then you can just pull this up here or make this up here, and then you can just make this one like that. All right, and then click plus sign again. Then you can make this longer if you want to. You can make this shorter if you want. Just do like that. What I'm doing, just look what I'm doing. Then you can just bend it anytime, or whatever part of the object that you need to bend this, just like that, and then plus. All right, so keep doing this, guys, until you finish the end of the pig, and then I'll keep doing this, guys, and let's meet you at the end. All right, so now we're done putting all of these dash lines, guys, and you can also always change the thickness of the lines by clicking this one, and you can choose, you see like that. If I choose this one, it's getting more it's getting more smaller. So it's all up to you. If you want long lines just like that, you can always change here the style of the lines and the weight of the lines, like that. If you move this one like this. It's getting bigger and bigger. So you can easily customize, guys, here by clicking this one. And if you want the rounded points, then you can just click this one if you want a rounded points. All right, so now here you go. Here is the dash line that you can use for your kids to do the scissor cutting skills if you want to create all of this. But not only for the pig, you can also create this for other animals or for other objects that you want your kids to practice their scissor skills cutting. Alright, so that's all for today, guys, and I hope you get value with this. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe also, so that you get, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching and for supporting me all the time, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.